All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. Let's quickly take a look at Myro the dog because we are experiencing some great price action here. This is coming off of a massive support level that we were mentioning in my last update, and I was saying that look, it may be bearish in the short term for Myro because I was expecting something like a 36% drop from right around 15 cents to 9-10 cents thereabout, and I was showing you that in this video. Right, let me quickly show you a snippet of what we were talking about back then. Right, what you now expect is some kind of an ABC correction that comes in right there. So the question in my head obviously is that is this the ABC here, or we actually have a bigger ABC correction here with Myro? You should say A here, this is B, and then you're actually looking for a C wave that is going to be taking out the low that we had here right around something like 12.5 cents for Myro. And we will be looking at support levels right around 10 cents here for Myro. I know that this scenario is actually brutal for a lot of people, because what we will now actually be saying is that maybe from where the price is sitting right at this point to right around 10 cents, we're looking at something like a 36, 33, 34% drop. And not cool obviously, but this is actually the most bullish scenario that we can have here. All right, so just as you heard here, I was saying that this is going to be a bullish scenario, even though I was saying that short term wise we are going to be expecting a 36% drop. What really did I mean? I'm going to be talking about that in today's video, right, and also show you where we have got some key values and key areas we should be paying attention to here on Myro, right? So if that sounds interesting, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for Myro updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you're new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I want to encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on Myro and a number of other altcoins on a regular basis. And without me further running my mouth too much, let's get right into the daily time frame here, which we are seeing that yes, we have got a bounce here, but I think we should be paying attention to this area here. Let me quickly highlight that. So you can see that we were having a bounce right around 14-15 cents here. We also had a bounce here. I mean, we also hit some kind of a bounce here before we capitulated here. So as we are headed to the upside, I think it's going to be very important to pay attention to this level, because it could well be some kind of a resistance level. Let's just go ahead and pull out our Fibonacci retracement level and see if there is anything that we can actually see. Okay, so you can already see that this is our first Fibonacci retracement level. That same area I was just talking about, around 14 cents. That's the first, like the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. Now what we just want to see here is a break and close above this level. Should we continue rising up like this, just that a break and close above that level here, 14-15 cents, will now be indicating that you know what, we have had the first indication, or the early indication that we are reversing this whole thing, and we are going to be continuously headed to the upside rather than. So I'm definitely keeping tabs open here, monitoring that situation very much closely. But I say that coming back to this level here around 19 cents was going to be a bullish thing. What really did I mean by that? Let me quickly show you here through Elliott wave counts here. So from the very bottom here, we can see that we have got this wave 1 here, we've got wave 2, we've got wave 3, this is your wave 4 here, and then finally you've got wave 5. So this is a complete cycle, yes, and what we were looking for obviously was a massive correction here in form like often A B C correction here. Now that we have gotten that, what we expect next is another impulse, kind of a big wave here with 1 2 3 4 5, just as we are seeing with this one here. So maybe we should remove this one here. Obviously it's not up to scale, but I'm just using this to illustrate that we could actually have a massive cycle that will be following up here for Myro. I'm going to be monitoring this one as well very much closely. What we just don't want to see here is breaking below 9.5 cents one more time, because once we do that, I think that the next level that we'll be looking for here will be around 4.4 cents. That's gonna be very crazy, right? Is it impossible to happen? Very much possible to happen. This is crypto, never forget that. And that's from right around 9.5 cents, we'll be looking at something like a 50% drop. Fingers crossed we don't have anything like that happen, and then we have the bullish scenario that I was just illustrating a few moments ago. But should we go and take a look at a few indicators here? We are looking at the MACD, and it's indicating that the bears actually losing strength versus the bulls. You can see here that the MACD is looking like it's going to be flipping. The last time we had a flip like this was back here, and you can see that we had a good ride here in terms of the price action rate. So fingers crossed we also have the same thing. It's looking like it's very much imminent here. and I will definitely be monitoring that as well. So I'm expecting great price action. Obviously here we just have got like resistance looming right around 14 cents here. Should we clear that? All right, it's all sunshines and rainbows one more time. But looking at the RSI, we are seeing that this was the lowest that it has ever been here on the Myro chart. The good news is that it's looking like we are already trying to reverse that. So you see here we've got this yellow line kind of, and then we are having this blue line. So once we have this blue line across or higher than the yellow line, usually it indicates great price action. You can see here when we're recovering too, that is, you know, your confirmation that you're already leading to the upside. It's the same scenario here as well. I mean, these are only 3-4 data points, but they have actually been accurate, and they have also been consistent with the MACD. So maybe it's something that we should definitely be considering. So I'm rooting for Myro, obviously, but what I just want to see is you know, the price clearing this level here right around 14-15 cents is really going to be key. Should we get rejected here, we'll take a look at it one more time, but that will actually be indicating that the bulls are not as strong as we would have anticipated. So we have to take action accordingly, right? So just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really good care of yourselves. Bye.